Add a bit of personality to your everyday tech kit with this Pets Rock Amy Winehouse Microfibre lens and sunglasses cloth, ideal for anyone who wants a practical accessory with a more stylish, giftable look. Offered here in new condition, this listing includes one cloth in its original retail packaging, exactly as shown. The soft microfiber material is suitable for cleaning laptop screens, mobile phones, glasses, sunglasses, and other delicate surfaces, making it a handy item for daily use at home, at work, or on the go. The themed print gives it far more character than a standard plain cleaning cloth, while the sealed presentation adds display appeal for collectors and makes it an easy little gift. Please note, the outer packaging may show only light shelf or storage wear, but the item itself appears clean, unused, and well presented. It will be sent with free UK postage, securely packed, via Royal Mail Tract 24 with signature on delivery. Grab it now before it goes.